Hi, this is Peter from Net Foundation and welcome to the fourth video in the series on how to make a course in its learning. In this video we will talk about the element page. In the last video I made the page in the course we are working in. I will go to the same page to show you what you can do within a page. When you click on the title you can change it immediately. Let's call it 1.1 Introduction. In the page you can add content blocks, which is a piece of content you can move around. When you add a content block, you can choose what content you want it to be. I always use rich content as you can do a lot of things with it, like placing an image, embedding a video or just giving some information. Last time I already created one content block, so I will edit that one now. Let's say the first content block is about what Net Foundation is, and I would like to embed a video in it. I can do that by clicking this button. I will paste a link from a YouTube video. This will also work for other major websites like Vimeo. Click on Insert to save it. Right now you will not see the video yet. You will see it correctly once you have created the content block. I will give the content block a title describing what it is about. Above the video I'm going to explain what the video is about. Just like in Word or other text editors, you can change the properties of the text here. These options are very useful as you want the students to have the best experience both in the content you give them, but also visually in how the course looks. Therefore I will make the text bold to give more body to it and to give more emphasis on it. I click on OK and the first content block has been edited. I will make a new block and here I will put some text with an image showing you how it could look like. Click on this button to add an image and then you click on Upload and Insert. And after that you can click here to select an image from your computer. I will let the image wrap to the left of the text. Then click on Upload and Insert. I will add some text and use different methods to make it look nice. If you want to know how the other buttons work and what they do, you can click on the question mark here and it will direct you to the help page of It's Learning. There you will find a list of all the things you can do with the text editor. When you are done with it, you can choose to change the layout. These are the options. I will choose 2 columns and I will click on Save. In my opinion, this content block will look better if it's placed on the right, so I will click here and drag it to the right. These are some of the basic options you can use to make a page. Most of these things are also useful for other elements like a task. The page is probably the easiest element as you don't have to set any dates or assessment options. Therefore, it is useful for just displaying information. In the next video you will learn how to make use of the element task. And thank you for watching.